Yeah, what's left? ACT and then the backside. How many prime numbers are there between 0 and 25? Well, 0 is not prime. 0 is never prime. I'm just going to make a list. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just counting, writing numbers down. It takes a second, but it's easier mentally to just have a list in front of you. But what do I know? I'm a 42-year-old, middle-aged, fat dude. So to be prime, you are divisible by yourself and one only. Yourself and one only. 1 is part of the definition, so 1 is not prime. 1 is not prime, 0 is not prime. 2 is, 3 is, 4 is divisible by 2, 5 is prime, 6 is divisible by 2, 7 is prime, 8 is divisible by 2, 9 is divisible by 3, 10 is divisible by 2, 11 is prime, 12 is divisible by 2, 13 is prime, 14 is divisible by 2, 15 is divisible by 3, 16 by 2, 17 is prime, 18 is divisible by 2, 19 is prime, 20 is divisible by 2, 21 is divisible by 3, 22 is divisible by 2, 23 is prime, 24 is divisible by 2, 25 is divisible by 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Nope, 9. Almost missed 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see 9. ACT2. 3 robots are completing a task. Robot 1 can complete the task in 1 hour, Robot 2 in 1.5, Robot 3 in 2. This is like, what, the 4th time you guys have had with these robot questions and work problems? So the deal is we have 1 over sometime 1 times x plus 1 over sometime 2 times x plus 1 over sometime 3 times x equal to 1, the complete job. So robot 1 can actually do it in a full hour, 1 over 1, x. Robot 2 in 1.5, which I'm going to write as 3/2. You can do whatever you want, x. And robot 3 can do it in 2 hours, 1 over 2 and then an x, and that equals 1. So what's the smallest thing that 1, 3/2, and 2 all enter? Probably 6. I'm going to go with 6. I'm going to 6 everything. 6 times 1 is 6x. 6 times 1 over 3/2 would be 6 times 2/3, which is 12 over 3, which is 4. So 4x, and 6 times 1/2 is 3x, and then 6 times 1 is 6. There's my little equation. Looks like there's 13 x's on the left, 6 on the right, so 6/13. All right, ACT3 is about the determinant. So, and it is called the determinant. Here's the rule for this. The determinant of some matrix A, B, C, D is AD minus CB. That, take away that. So this guy's determinant is known to be 6. All right. So let's start doing this little multiplication idea they tell us to do. Negative 2k minus 4 times 3, which is 12, must be 6. So now you have a nice linear equation. You add 12, you get 18. You divide by negative 2, and you get negative 9. That's how hard those are. Really not that hard. All right, there's ACT1, ACT2, ACT3. I'm going to stop this, restart. It's different.